Welcome to programming LEGO Mindstorms NXT with the EV3-G software. Click on Tutorials, Robot Educator. Go to Beyond Basics, Driving Base. So today we're going to look at multitasking. Click on Multitasking and play the video. So we can use multitasking to move the driving base and play a sound at the same time. Click Open. Click Next. Click Next. Watch the interactive animation. As you can see here, the start block is attached to the move steering block. It is also attached to a sound block. Now at the end of the move steering block, we tell the sound to stop. So let's go ahead and program this. So I'm going to drag in a move steering block. Next, we'll drag in a sound block. Now I drag a wire from the start block to the move steering block. Then I drag a wire from the start block to the sound block. We'll put another sound block after the move steering block. And now it's time to configure. Set the number of rotations for the move steering block to 2. For the sound block immediately after the move steering block, we want to stop the sound. For the sound block here, change the sound to motor idle and set it so that it loops continuously. And you're done. Go ahead and run your program. Thanks for watching and see you next time.